Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create this amazing Google Slides title photo edit in a second. So in here, what you need to do first is go to insert and find table and add a 6 times 4 table like this. So now I'm going to change the layout first. Let's try to change the layout into blank. Okay, so now you need to make enlarge the table, so it takes a whole slide. After this, change the border weight into 2, and after that, sorry, let's block all of the tables. Okay, and you can change the color into your liking. Here I'm going to change the color into, for example, this green color, like this, all of the colors. Now you can just select a few cells like this and then change the fill color into the color that you want. I'm going to choose the same color as the border. You can pick any color, sorry, any cells that you want. You can pick as many as you want. Okay, after you finish with this, you can go to insert again and add an image that you want into your title. Here I'm going to upload from a computer, so select the image. So I make the table bigger so it fits the whole slide like this, and then you can just add an image. And now here, adjust the size of the image to fill the whole slide, just like the table. So after this, you can just right click and then here go to order and click on send to back. Okay, so now the image is at the bottom like this. Now you can just add tags. Okay, so now you can just add the title or the text like this, and you are done with your photo titles. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.